my god, it's freaking so cold. What the fuck is here? Oh my god, I'm following the wrong path. It's so cold. Hey man, I'm gonna freaking kill you for this.
Okay, just wait here.
Okay. Oh god. Okay, up there, that entire mountain. We're sliding down that.
We should just slow down the road.
How can we sled down the road?
Go to those people's driveways. My dad told me about doing this. And you get to the very top, you sled down to the bottom, and then you like ride all the way down. It's been done.
Alright.
Oh my god. Well, we tried to go down this hill. Didn't work. We sat down and we fell down through this fucking 2 feet of snow. I fell down like 5 times.
Yeah, it freaking sucks.
Oh my god.
Oh.
That would hurt fucking worse.
What a faggot. My pants are frozen. Like, seriously, solid frozen. It is so weird to feel.
What?
You're not sexy.